Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. Before I start the video, I'm letting you know I'm filling in for SPC Convective Outlook as he is on the road right now to New Jersey. And I'll be filling in for him for the Day 2 Outlook later. So, anyway, we have 3 slight risk areas today. One slate today covers eastern Montana, western North Dakota, western South Dakota, far northeastern Wyoming, most of Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, and northwestern Kansas. A second slate today covers south central and southeastern Iowa, northeastern Missouri, southern Wisconsin, most of Illinois, pretty much all of Indiana, most of Indiana, almost all of it, far north central Kentucky, western Ohio, and much of Michigan. And the third slate today covers most of Virginia, northern North Carolina, most of Virginia, and far south central Maryland. Cities in today's slates include Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Virginia Beach, Virginia. And we have this broad marginal today that covers parts of Montana, eastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, north central and east central Colorado, central North Dakota, central South Dakota, far western and eastern Nebraska, parts of Kansas, parts of Iowa, parts of Missouri, far southeastern Minnesota, most of Wisconsin, northern Michigan, southern Illinois, far southern Indiana, most of Kentucky, most of Ohio, northeastern Tennessee, much of North Carolina, far northwestern South Carolina, all of West Virginia, parts of Virginia, western Pennsylvania, southwestern New York, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, most of Delaware, and far southern New Jersey. The cities in the marginal today include Columbus, Ohio, Baltimore, Maryland, Charlotte, North Carolina, Washington, D.C., and Cleveland, Ohio. Going to today's tornado threat, we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses eastern Montana, western North Dakota, western South Dakota, far northeastern Wyoming, most of Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, southern Iowa, northeastern Missouri, most of Illinois, most of Indiana, most of Michigan, and western Ohio. The 2% tornado risk area today includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Fort Wayne, Indiana. Going to today's wind threat, there are 4 areas where we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering northeastern Montana, western North Dakota, and extreme northwestern South Dakota. The second 15% wind risk area today encompasses far southwestern South Dakota, most of Nebraska, northwestern Kansas, and northeastern Colorado. The third 15% wind risk area today encompasses south central and southeastern Iowa, northeastern Missouri, most of Illinois, southeastern Wisconsin, most of Michigan, most of Indiana, far north central Kentucky, and western Ohio. And the fourth 15% wind risk area today encompasses most of Virginia, south central Maryland, and northern North Carolina. The 15% wind risk areas today include Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Virginia Beach, Virginia. And there is a large 5% wind risk area today encompassing eastern Montana, parts of North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, eastern Colorado, western and eastern Nebraska, parts of Kansas, much of Iowa, parts of Missouri, far southeastern Minnesota, Much of Wisconsin, northern Michigan, southern Illinois, most of Kentucky, far southern Indiana, northeastern Tennessee, most of Ohio, parts of North Carolina, far northwestern South Carolina, parts of Virginia, all of West Virginia, western Pennsylvania, southwestern New York, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, most of Delaware, and far southern New Jersey. The 5% wind risk today includes Columbus, Ohio, Baltimore, Maryland, Charlotte, North Carolina, Washington, D.C., and Cleveland, Ohio. And going to today's hail threat, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, encompassing eastern Montana, western North Dakota, western South Dakota, far northeastern Wyoming, much of Nebraska, northwestern Kansas, and northeastern Colorado. The 15% hail risk area today includes Rapid City, South Dakota, Kearney, Nebraska, North Platte, Nebraska, Dickinson, North Dakota, and Scottsbluff, Nebraska. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. It encompasses most of the 15% hail risk area. Cities in the black dashed area today include Rapid City, South Dakota, North Platte, Nebraska, Spearfish, South Dakota, Rapid Valley, South Dakota, and Sturgis, South Dakota. Again, the black dashed area is the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Okay? And finally, there are 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. One encompassing parts of Montana, parts of Wyoming, parts of Colorado, parts of North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, parts of Nebraska, northern Kansas, most of Iowa, northern Missouri, western and northwestern Illinois, far southeastern Minnesota, most of Wisconsin, and northern Michigan. Okay? And another 5% hail risk area today encompasses Central Virginia and North Central North Carolina. Far North Central North Carolina, I should say. Okay? The 5% hail risk today includes Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Madison, Wisconsin, and Des Moines, Iowa. And so, in summary, scattered damaging winds are possible today across parts of the Midwest, Great Lakes, and southern Mid-Atlantic. Scattered large to very large hail and severe gusts are possible across the northern and central plains during the late afternoon and evening. So, anyway, that's the Day 1 Outlook. And again, I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks as he is currently on the road to New Jersey right now and can't do these videos. And I will also be filling in for him again later for the Day 2 Outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, and my Day 2 Outlook will come out this afternoon, where, again, I'll be filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks. Take care.